Dean the Granite Guy. I found Dean the Granite Guy on Angie's list. I had actually gotten a couple of other bids to do the granite here in the kitchen, and I had checked Angie's list, and Dean was highly rated. So I called him up to get a bid, and that's when I found out about the Dean experience. And the Dean experience is just cool beyond all words, because he took what was just a granite project and made it a beautiful kitchen remodel. I mean, it's just fabulous. With no cabinets gone, but we took out the breakfast bar. We made it a beautiful counter height breakfast bar. We did the lighting, both under and over cabinet, and then the tile work on the window went over the top as far as I was concerned. He had great ideas, and what I really like about it the best is the follow-up. Dean was here every single day of the project. And we did the kitchen, and then we ended up going ahead. I added 3 bathrooms. so it extended a lot, but it was still fabulous. It's just great. We went to the warehouse and we looked at it. Initially Dean had just a little piece of granite. I liked it. It was really cool. Then when we went to the warehouse, and there were all these beautiful slabs of all kinds of granite. I mean, you know, it can be almost overwhelming. But I saw this one, and this is one he told me to show me on the sample, and I fell in love with it because it has got so much quartz and various color veining in it. And I wanted something with a basically white background, because my kitchen has been dark. And so when we were talking about that, Dean said, I can fix that too. He said, I can do overlights and underlights, and he said, we can fix up the kitchen, so not only will the granite be beautiful, but the whole kitchen will. But I love this granite. I mean, I literally come in multiple times a day and have to pet it because it is just so beautiful, and I love the shimmer in it. That's why I look at it. It's almost got a shimmer to it instead of just being a piece of rock. It's actually got a shimmer. It's almost alive. Absolutely, and have already. I mean, it's a great Dean experience. I'm loving it.
You're so awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.